Hello students, today we will start new chapter, that is light chapter. So now just go through this light. What is light? First, light is the form of energy which makes things visible to us. Means with the help of light we can see all the objects. So light is a form of energy. There are two types of objects: luminous objects, non-luminous objects. Objects those produce or emit their own light are luminous objects. So here objects which emit own light, example we know the sun, stars, electric bulb, electric tube, torch, candle, lamp, lantern, etc. These are the objects, they emit their own light. So they are known as luminous objects. Similarly, non-luminous objects means objects those do not emit their light. These are book, moon. Moon also does not emit their own light. Earth, chair, flower, human body, table, etc. So many examples. These are the non-luminous objects. Now come to the important thing, reflection of light. Through the reflection of light, we used to see the things. You can see what I have written here, because light is falling and reflecting to your eyes and making image, then you are able to see. No reflection of light towards your eyes, no visibility. Similarly, just go through this. This is a remote control, you all can see, but if I will hide behind my back, so light is falling, reflecting, but you can't see. What is the reason? The light from that object is reflected light, not coming to your eyes. So reflected light should come to our eyes, then only we can see the objects. So reflection part is very important. So what is the reflection of light? The process of sending back light rays which fall on the surface of an object is called reflection of light. Light is falling on the surface and it is bouncing back or reflected back. That is known as reflection of light. Go through this figure. I have drawn here. RS is the surface. OP is the light that is falling. Ray of light falling on the surface. It is called incident ray. It is falling at point P. It is touching the surface and from there it is bouncing back. PQ is the reflected light. And at the point of incidence, we have drawn a normal perpendicular line, that is called MN. And with perpendicular line, with normal, these two rays are forming different angles. The angle formed between incident ray OP and MN normal, that is angle I, it is called angle of incidence. An angle of reflection, it is forming between normal and reflected ray. The same thing here I have written. Just go through OP. In the figure, OP is the incident ray. PQ is the reflected ray. Point P, it is the point of incidence, at point where event takes place. RS is the surface. MN is the normal at the point of incidence. Angle I, angle of incidence. And angle R, angle of reflection. So here two things are important. What is the angle of incidence? This is the angle formed between incident ray and normal. And what is the angle of reflection? Angle formed between normal and reflected ray. So this much only today. Just go through. We will continue in our next video. And also note down all these things in your copy. Try to understand. Okay. Thank you.